Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. On behalf, as well as on behalf of the teachers, the students, the scholars of the Department of Arabic, Aligarh Muslim University, I extend to you a very warm welcome to this books releasing function. Primarily, the annual, the academic UGC care listed journal published by our department, that is Majallatul Majmu' al-Ilm al-Arabi al-Hindi. The latest issue would be released, coupled with the release of the two-day national seminar on Sherwani Sahab, which was held some times ago. This national seminar was attended by a large number of academia, drawn from cross-section of academic institutions, both governmental as well as from the madrasas, research institutions from all over India. Another volume, that is the writings of Sherwani Sahab, a newly edited form. It will be released. The Arabic department has been concerned with the academic research since long, since its inception in this university. In the early stage, we must recollect that there have been active participation academically as well as administratively by the Orientalists. It is well-known, well-acclaimed part of our legacy, followed by, at the second stage, by the academia, who had left their imprints all over the world in the domain of scholarship, like Maiman Sahab, Professor Arzu, among many others. So, the Government of India through UGC had given our department a series of programs, CS programs, DSA and CS programs, culminating into the last phase, which due to various reasons, sometimes unknown, were discontinued. So this legacy of ours, in terms of holding the seminar and symposia, was discontinued because of the lack of funds. Here we must thank the Sherwani House, represented in Professor Sahab, who extended all help towards organizing a national seminar on Sherwani Sahab, the proceedings of which we are releasing this time. The Department of Arabic in the last 3 years has held, along with this national seminar, a series of international meets. Of course, they were online in the backdrop of the corona and afterwards, in which renowned scholars from Jordan, from Kuwait, from Tunisia, from Holland and Canada, they had delivered lectures and interacted with their teachers and students. Starting with Professor Mohd.Sanaulla from Jordan, Professor Abdullah Al-Khatam twice from Kuwait, Professor Safa Al-Waqti from Tunisia, Professor Arf of Bundus with a delegation of renowned scholars from Holland, and Dr. Rahman, Dr. Rahman from Canada. So these were the series of lectures which were held. I must extend my heartfelt thanks and welcome all the academia. Especially, I am thankful to Professor Sanaullah Nadawi for sparing some minutes out of his busy schedule to take part in our program. Thank you, sir, very much. I must thank Professor Hakim Sayyid Zarur Rahman sir, who had just returned from Bhopal, taking all the troubles related to journey. But he is actually an icon of an example of the pattern is extended to the academia, to us, to all, while even challenging all these sorts of fatigues. He made a point to be with us. So thank you, sir, very much for being with us on the occasion. I must thank Rahman for being with us on this occasion. Professor Tariq Islam sahab in the Department of Philosophy, I must thank him for being with us. Tariq sahab has been known for his academia, as well as many of his characteristics that are really missed these days. Professor Nauman sahab from Delhi, I must thank you, sir, for being with us, taking all the troubles to come from Delhi. Maulana Abu Sahban Qudus sahab, my teacher, and a well-known academician all over the world in the domain of Hadith literature, as well as the study of Orientalism. I thank you, sir, on my behalf as well as behalf of my colleagues for being with us. Professor Qutbuddin sahab, I must thank you. And all the academia of the dais. I must thank my teacher, Professor Kafil Ahmad Qasimi sahab, for being with us. Rahat Abrar sahab. And all these very prominent, well-acclaimed faces adorning this occasion with their pen presence. I thank all my colleagues for extending their all possible help towards organizing, designing, thinking about, giving the final touch towards holding this program. Once again, I welcome you on this occasion. Thank you very much.